Exploring the rainbow room, a splash of color in language. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're embarking on a colorful journey to explore the meaning behind the phrase, rainbow room. Whether you've stumbled upon this expression in a book, heard it in a conversation, or seen it in various contexts, you might wonder what imagery or idea it conjures up. So, let's dive into the vibrant world of this intriguing phrase. The term, rainbow room, can be understood in its most literal sense. A room filled with colors like those of a rainbow. Imagine walking into a space where every hue is represented, creating a cheerful and bright atmosphere. This could refer to a real room designed with colorful decor or a metaphorical space that brings joy and positivity, much like a rainbow does. Interestingly, rainbow room is not just a phrase, it's a name steeped in history and entertainment. The famous Rainbow Room is an iconic venue located in Rockefeller Center, New York City. Known for its sophisticated ambience, live music, and dance floor, it's a place that encapsulates the elegance and charm of a bygone era. When people refer to the Rainbow Room, they may be talking about this glamorous spot that has hosted many significant events and famous personalities. Beyond the literal and cultural references, Rainbow Room can also take on a symbolic meaning. A rainbow often signifies hope, promise, and diversity. Thus, a rainbow room could symbolize a space or state of mind where diversity is embraced and the beauty of different perspectives is acknowledged and celebrated. When using the phrase in English, it's important to consider the context. If you say, "I've decorated my classroom to be a rainbow room," you're likely expressing that you've made your classroom very colorful. However, if you mention, "I visited the Rainbow Room," those familiar with New York City might assume you're talking about the iconic landmark. And there you have it, the phrase, rainbow room, in all its colorful glory. Whether it's a literal space that brightens your day, a historical spot filled with memories, or a symbol of diversity and hope, the Rainbow Room carries with it a spectrum of meanings. We hope this video has painted a vivid picture for you. And as always, we look forward to bringing more enlightening content to your learning journey. Keep exploring, and stay colorful.